Nolligent here inside the Hard Rock Cafe in Mississippi at the Sugar Factory American Brasserie. Let's go check it out. Oh yeah. Welcome to Nolligent. Let the good times roll. In this episode of our Best Burger Search, we enjoy Mississippi food with a burger at the Sugar Factory American Brasserie inside the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino in Biloxi, Mississippi. This restaurant has become known for their American food, which includes a noted burger. Hard Rock Hotel and Casino is located in Biloxi, Mississippi at 777 Beach Boulevard, which is about 1 hour and 26 minutes and 90 miles away from the New Orleans French Quarter. I visited this location of the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino years ago, and it has substantially changed since my last visit. I'm visiting here with my pal the Major to see a disco cover band who are performing at the Boogie Nights venue inside the casino. So let's check out the menu now. We have American appetizers with a basket of signature fries, buttermilk onion rings, chicken tenders, fried macaroni and cheese pops, meatballs, buffalo chicken wings, spinach artichoke dip, wing sampler platter, Sugar Factory rainbow sliders, a sampler platter, soups and salads with tomato bisque, classic French onion, Sugar Factory house salad, Caesar salad, ginger sesame chicken salad, pan roasted salmon salad. Then we have sandwiches with grilled 4-cheese sandwich, buffalo chicken sandwich, grilled ham and 4-cheese sandwich, grilled chicken breast sandwich, the Sugar Factory Club, the steak sandwich melt. Then we have monster burgers, the all-natural turkey burger, the signature Sugar Factory burger, the big cheesy, blue cheese bacon burger, California veggie burger, waffle breakfast burger, flaming hot Cheetos burger, South Beach Flair, and 24-karat gold burger. Then we have pastas served with Parmesan crostini, and you can add chicken, shrimp, or lobster, spaghetti marinara, penne alfredo, chicken penne alfredo, Cajun chicken penne alfredo, shrimp penne alfredo, spaghetti and meatballs. Then we have stir fry with sesame chicken stir fry, firecracker shrimp stir fry, garlic steak stir fry. Then we have grill and entrees, the Sugar Factory fish and chips, pan roasted salmon, chicken and waffles, brick chicken, hanger steak fries, Angus filet, roasted twin Maine lobster tails, Angus filet and Maine lobster surf and turf. Then we have sides with a house salad, mac and cheese, steamed broccoli, mashed potatoes, green beans almondine, creamed spinach, signature fries, roasted cremini mushrooms, and grilled asparagus. On the other side of the menu, we have old-fashioned milkshakes with vanilla, chocolate strawberry, chocolate cookie jar, Butterfinger, insane milkshakes with tie-dye milkshake, caramel sugar daddy cheesecake, giggle Snickers milkshake, Nutella banana milkshake, Princess Make-A-Wish, Cookie Monster Make-A-Wish, Campfire Spike S'mores milkshake, dessert menu with New York cheesecake, chocolate cake, Oreo stuffed chocolate chip cookie ice cream sandwich, cookie skillet, fondue, waffles and crepes with fresh mixed berry crepe, s'mores Nutella crepe, banana Foster crepe, Angels and Heaven waffles, banana split waffle, strawberry cheesecake stuffed waffle. Then we have old-fashioned sundaes with the classic strawberry cheesecake overload, cookie jar, chocolate blackout, banana split, world-famous Sugar Factory King Kong sundae, the hot chocolate, s'mores hot chocolate, pink unicorn hot chocolate, classic hot chocolate, coffee, the Carlos, mochaccino, chocolate cappuccino, Sugar Factory cappuccino, iced coffee with cookies and cream, Nutella, salted caramel, and mocha. Okay, I've never been in this place, so let's head on inside here and check it out. The menu looks really cool, and they have a lot of unique, interesting things. Now, I have eaten at the Hard Rock Cafe many times. They've always had fantastic food, really good burgers, but this is an interesting place. The Major's here! Ah, Major! How's your beer? You already ordered fries. Here we go. I don't know.
Very nice fries.
We got sugar fries. Here we go. Stealing the Major's fries. The Major is very naughty. The Major is not fully trained on Mardi Gras ways yet. Ooh. So, Carnival season starts on January 6th, also known as 12th night, And that is when all of the carnival celebrations begin and then all culminate and end on Mardi Gras Day. Now, Mardi Gras Day is going to end everything at midnight. And after that, that's when Lent happens. And Mardi Gras changes depending on when the date of Easter is. So every year you got to double check to see when Mardi Gras Day is actually going to be, as that's the last day of carnival season. And all throughout 12th night to Mardi Gras, we're having a non-stop celebration. So you got to enjoy yourself, and it's carnival season for us these days in New Orleans and all along the Gulf South coastline. So good stuff in here. Look at this burger. Wow, mac and cheese on it. The Major is stealing most of my food, but we're going to maybe get part of it. We'll see what happens here. Happy Carnival, y'all. So this is the Big Cheesy Burger, an 8-ounce Angus beef patty topped with melted American cheese and creamy mac and cheese with pickles, shredded lettuce, tomato, crispy onions, and barbecue sauce. And it's all on this toasted brioche bun. Now, I was interested in that 24-karat gold burger, but $150 for just a burger is a little out of my price range these days. So the burger meat on here seems quite juicy and delicious. This is a bit of a messy burger, obviously, with all of the various things on top of it. The mac and cheese is certainly a nicer ooey gooey cheesy variety, which does make it far superior to many other mac and cheeses, such as what I might have recently had at a barbecue place. Now, I have to say, there's some good stuff going on here. Now, I don't know if I would want mac and cheese on my burger again after this experience. I'd rather have it as a side. I mean, it's, you know, it's an okay thing. But I think I would enjoy the burger experience more with just another few slices of cheese without the pasta of the macaroni inside of my burger. That's a little too, just too many things going on to me. I think it's an extra thing that, to me, doesn't really cook the burger up any, or just cheese would definitely cook it up. The extra pasta and carbs on top of the burger is kind of distracting from the juicy, delicious, beefy flavor. So, hey, if you haven't tried it before and want to, that's certainly a good thing to try for once. You might love it. But personally, to me, I think I would avoid macaroni on my burger in the future. Certainly would enjoy it as a side with my burger, though. You know, that's individual taste varies, so you do always need to try things for yourself. Now we are getting through this thing pretty fast. The meat bun ratio has certainly kind of slipped and slided, unfortunately. So we got a little excess bun here. So that can happen with so much stuff piled on top of a burger. You do get that slippage of the structural integrity. There's that last bite. So that actually went down pretty quickly and easily for such a messy burger with so much going on. Now we do have basically a third meal here for the most part. There's like a whole salad left. This is like a whole, like another course of just lettuce and tomatoes here. So literally you get a starter salad to finish your meal with here. So definitely you can't say they don't give you a whole lot of stuff on the burger. There's definitely a whole nother meal right here. It's almost an entire side of mac and cheese that's fallen out of the burger. So you are definitely getting a whole heaping pile of mac and cheese on this. Oh, now look, the Major actually left me an onion ring. So I got one French fry, one onion ring. Arr! All right, so onion ring's pretty good too. So the one fry, and then, oh look, I get another baby onion ring. So 2 onion rings, 1 fries, what the Major left me. So just like I've totally destroyed this burger, go ahead and destroy that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment below, let me know what you thought about this burger. And while you're down there, make sure to check out links to my Patreon account, as I do it for tips and I appreciate any help with that. So the bill arrived, and the total for 1 Yuengling, my burger, and onion rings was $32.31 before tip. So thanks so much to everyone at the Sugar Factory American Brasserie and the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino in Biloxi. And thanks so much to all of you out there for tuning into the NOLA Gent channel, especially to my Patreons. Now, if you would so kindly, go ahead and share this video with any of your friends or contacts who would enjoy it, as it really would help me with that YouTube algorithm. Then tune in next time for more good food, good times, and good people. Noligent here, and thanks so much for watching. And just go ahead and destroy this video right here to keep up with the fun.